1 year ago today, Wisconsin voters overwhelmingly approved major changes to what judges consider when setting cash bail for people accused of violent crimes.
But has it made a difference? Ben Jordan goes in depth by talking with this young man named Robby, whose mom was killed by a convicted felon out of jail on a low bond. He also talked to Carl Ashley, Milwaukee's top judge, to get his perspective.
I feel very, very betrayed by the court system.
It's something 17-year-old Robby thinks about every day.
If he were to have been jailed or given punishment for his actions right when they had happened, I have a firm belief that this would have never transpired.
Robby's mother, Amanda, who raised him and his two brothers, was strangled and beaten to death in December of 2021 by her boyfriend.
It was like a truck coming from nowhere. I did not see it coming at all whatsoever.
It happened in a home on Milwaukee's north side, just months after Amanda's boyfriend was released on a $250 cash bail for charges of domestic violence against Amanda and being a felon in possession of a firearm.
Is that the hardest part for you to accept?
In totality, yes. Such a small insignificant detail turned into an avalanche.
Court documents show after her boyfriend was arrested for domestic violence, Amanda told investigators that she was afraid to call police because, quote, she feared he would kill her.
That family feels like the justice system failed them. What would you tell them about how this all was handled?
Well, first and foremost, I'd like to send my condolences to the family for their loss. It's a tragedy that unfortunately has not been isolated.
This is Milwaukee County's Chief Judge Carl Ashley. Not only did I want to hear his thoughts on Amanda's case.
Do we always get it right? No. Do we try to get it right? I'm absolutely sure we do.
But also the changes since. When the low cash bail was set in 2021 for Amanda's killer, bail in Wisconsin was simply meant to ensure those charged with crimes returned to court. In 2023, the new law allowed judges to consider a suspect's past violent felony convictions and protecting public safety while awaiting trial.
1 year later, could you say whether you think it's made a difference in the amount of cash bail that are set for very serious crimes?
Ben, I wish I could give you an answer to that question. But the analytical resources necessary to do that, we don't have at our disposal.
The Milwaukee County Circuit Court, which Ashley oversees, and the Milwaukee County District Attorney's Office says they do not track data on cash bail averages for criminal charges. So there's no way of knowing whether the constitutional amendments have resulted in broad change. However, Ashley thinks his court commissioners who set bail embrace those additional considerations and utilize them on an individual basis, something critics think can punish those who are presumed innocent.
I think having the ability to have this other vehicle to allow them to have more input as to what they're going to decide is good for them.
Robby wonders if his mother would still be alive to see him graduate next year if the law was in place when her killer was charged.
Do you think that these constitutional amendments will prevent others from having to feel your pain?
I hope so. I genuinely hope so. It's something that never should have ever happened to me. And I won't be over it for the rest of my life.
Reporting in Milwaukee, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.